Let's talk about a smarter way to deal with your roof, one that avoids a total replacement.
You know that feeling an aging roof just feels like a ticking clock with a huge bill on the way?
And that bill is a big one. We're talking an average of $18,000. Ouch.
But what if there was another way, a better option than that full, costly tear-off?
Exactly. Why pay for a brand new roof when you can affordably refurbish your existing one?
See, most roofs don't just fail, they wear out slowly. Refurbishment slows that process way down.
So, how does it work? It's all about nanotechnology, which creates a protective bond inside your shingles.
Think of it like this. It's creating protective asphalt on steroids right at the molecular level.
It's a three-step process. It gets in deep, creates a waterproof shield, and makes your shingles strong again.
And get this, the result is wild. A 15-year-old shingle can actually become stronger than a brand new one.
And here's the proof. A treated shingle just blows past the standards for new shingles. It's pretty impressive.
Now for the best part, the cost. You can see the savings are just massive compared to replacement. So you save a ton of money, you get a safer roof, and it can last up to 10 years longer.
And it's not one size fits all. Fortify protects newer roofs, while Revive brings older ones back to life.
Real homeowners are loving this. They're saving a fortune and say they'll never go back.
So it all comes back to this. Your roof isn't failing, it's just getting older, so why tear it off?